Have you ever opened your Acorns app, looked at your moderate or aggressive portfolio, and wondered if there was a way to make it work harder for you without just adding more cash? Most people think diversification in Acorns is just picking one of the 5 preset tiers and letting it ride. I used to think the same until I realized I was missing out on the 3 specific ways to actually spread the risk within the app's ecosystem. First, the most effective way I've found to diversify is by switching from the core portfolio to the sustainable ESG theme. While the core portfolio relies heavily on standard ETFs like VOO, the sustainable option swaps those for companies with high environmental and social ratings. It's not just about ethics, it's about decoupling your money from traditional legacy sectors. When I made the switch, I noticed my holdings moved into different growth sectors like clean energy, which often move differently than the standard S&P 500. Second, you have to look at the Bitcoin ETF integration. Diversification isn't just about stocks and bonds, it's about asset classes. Acorns allows you to allocate up to 5% of your portfolio to a Bitcoin-linked ETF. In my experience, even that small 1% to 5% slice acts as a satellite asset. When the stock market is sideways, crypto volatility, for better or worse, adds a layer of non-correlation that a standard 60-40 stock-bond split just can't provide. Finally, if you're on the gold tier, the absolute best way to diversify is through the custom portfolio feature. This was a game changer for me. It allows you to take up to 50% of your total investment and manually pick individual stocks or specific ETFs. This is how you hedge. If your base portfolio is heavy on large-cap U.S. stocks, you can use your custom slice to heavy up on international markets or REITs, areas where the standard Acorns mix might be thin. The best way isn't just picking the most aggressive setting, it's about using the sustainable theme for a different flavor of stocks, adding the Bitcoin ETF for asset variety, and using custom portfolios to fill the gaps the experts missed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.